Okay, so welcome back to another video. I think this is going to be more of a continuation from the previous video where we were trying to create an app and connect it to a custom agent, right? So let's first try to revisit the issue. So this issue, I think I've resolved it. So let me I hope I have resolved it. Let's see. I'll try to be quick here so that you know we don't waste too much time here. We'll just say version 2 or version 0, okay? And create the app, I believe. Yeah, I'm just going to be very quick here. Uh, I wanted to just highlight a couple of things. So let's see, it's working. Let's see. There is something called as agent. I forget the name of our yeah, the Quen one I think we were using. I believe it was the Quen one which I was using, which is pretty much our reasoning agent at this point, right? The Quen one is a reasoning agent, and this is the YAML. So I'm gonna use just a quick one. The service is taking too long. Please try again. Okay, all right. So looks like okay. I'm just gonna say Ajay. Oh, sorry, agent. All right. Yeah, I keep forgetting that. Okay. So, Ajay, yeah, just quickly, let's see. Create an app. Why is it? Yeah, it's already created. Come on, man. Don't say it's created already. Oh, it's done. Okay. Apparently it was done. It just didn't want to work. So, yeah, so I'm gonna view the source here quickly, show you something. So, here also it's Databricks GPT-2. So obviously we have to change it. So what I can do is go here and actually open it from here. Okay, I did not know of this shortcut here, or maybe I did not see it, obviously. I think this is the mistake we all make. All right. So yeah, so basically we want to change this, the agent server agent. Actually, I'm gonna wait for some time because it's already, I think, in oh, it's not deployed. Okay, so what we can do is quickly change this. Hopefully, it should not take more than a minute or two for me to change it. It's a very simple thing. I hope so. Model and the model. That's it. Nothing else. I should have read that note, what I was trying to say, but I am more interested in a different problem to solve. Okay, so here we go. So this is what we are going to do. All right. Let's see if this is working. Okay. So hopefully this will now pick up the latest deployment code, which I have changed it to Quen, right? A reasoning agent. We could have kept it that as well, but just wanted to, keep it as is. Okay, let's see. This takes a while, usually 2, 3 minutes max. Oh, there you go. I didn't realize this was already there. Okay. Okay, it's starting the app, and as we know, it takes around 40 seconds to deploy, right? Otherwise, it shows the error. So if I go here and quickly show you the error. Oh, so yeah, this is the error it shows up. Anyway, let's see whether it deployed the right things, what we were trying to do. Yeah, it did the Quen. Okay, hey, not bad, not bad. It's okay, this should work now. Let's see. Oh no, okay, yeah, this usually takes a lot of time. 40 seconds and 45 is what I wait. Yeah, now it should work. Oh, all right. It usually works around 45 seconds. Nope, doesn't want to work today. It's running. Hmm. Or is it running? That's the question. Oh, it is running. There you go. Okay, so let me just say, tell me something I might not know. Uh, let's see. So it is generating a response, and there is the error. So this error is very common, and I also posted this on the Databricks community. Yet to hear back from anyone who has resolved this. So I did a lot of AI conversations with two particular agents. One is the Gemini from Google and the Cloud, right? And guys, Cloud wins. There is no doubt about it. Like Gemini, I had to do around 10 to 15 iterations. It got me to a point where it was sort of working, but then I put the last piece of code in Cloud and it just worked. Okay, and I hope today it works as well. So this is the error, right? If you straight out of the box, if you don't change anything, right? I mean, the code of agent and keep it as is and just change this particular model to a reasoning model, it's gonna give you this pydantic error issue, right? And basically, the idea here is that when you output something, it's only looking for input type as string, nothing else, all these things, right? So obviously there has to be some cleanup that needs to happen. Okay, so that has not been taken place. So now I'll go to the code, which was working as you can see a few days back. So let me start this, and I try to do things while I'm recording the video because it gives you a real estimate of the time and the constraints it has followed. So I hope this works because it was working the last time. So 7 days ago when I was trying to resolve this issue. So all right, let's see. Computer starting. This takes around 2-3 minutes usually. But the idea here is if I go back, so you can see the code is quite different. Okay, let's speak about that, right? So if you see here, the code, oh, this was better. Okay, this is the latest app, right? The code is very different from here, right? You can see here. I'm bringing all this into picture, and it's not me to be honest. It's just not me. It's uh, okay. And if you see here, the code here, I'm bringing a lot of other things, right? I'm actually the output is what I'm working on, right? And then I also do a lot of try, you know, change the class to this, right? Assign the flatten and assign and do all that stuff, right? So I have, and then obviously sanitizing stuff, things like these, right? So let's see. Compute should start by now. It's been a minute, so okay. So I'll go over the code. So the idea here is when the response is returned back, right, by the agent, usually uh, there is an update that has happened because of which you get this kind of an error, right? So obviously you have to change the response type to string only again, right? So how do you do this? That's pretty much the whole idea behind this piece of code, right? See, it's taking texture output, then you append it, right? That's what you do. Pretty much that's the whole gist of the whole thing. And there's some more technical things happening here. I'm sanitizing things. See here. If it is text, then you flatten. I'm using this piece of code I've written here. And again, I have not written this code. It's all Cloud and Gemini playing together here. Okay, so pretty much I asked them this question. I think it's taken care of. Okay, let's see. Do, do, do. Again, I always wait for 45 seconds because anyways it gives me an error. So I don't like having errors. So this is the one. Oh, see, exactly. Oh, there you go. So tell me something I might. Let's see if this works. This should ideally work. There you go. So what else can you help me with? So this, I think, again, is erroring out, right? See. So here the reason is there's still work that needs to happen. So you can, and the point I'm trying to make in this video, right, that the initial error is not at your end, right? It's not at our end, the user's end. It's something to do with the template that comes with the app, the agent.py, right? That is the reason uh, you would see this error. So while I was on this error, I thought I'll update, I'll ask my good friends in AI, and I've resolved the first part of the error, right? Here, sorry, it's here, right? Come on, come on, come on. Here, oh, I have to click on it. So, of course, I've done some patching work and everything, but you can see this is something that should be raised with the Databricks, because now it's saying it doesn't know what to do with this kind of content, right? So, yeah. So that's all. I mean, that's all this video was about. Just wanted to bring this into picture that okay, it can work, right? And let's try to maybe do this. How can you help me? And let's see if this works. What is the current time? And it fails. It will fail because it does not know how to handle the conversation, right? That's the whole idea here. See, it can, and then it doesn't know what to do next with it, like the structure, right? So exactly that's what it's saying. Unhandled item type or structure status, none content is this, right? It doesn't really know what to do here. So yeah, that's pretty much this video. Hope uh, you are okay or you like this, and I may put this in Databricks community and provide a link to it. Okay. And yeah, looking forward for another video very soon. Bye.